Yeah, a lot of candy in there.
Yeah.
Right.
For the suckers.
What's up, Dallas? It's me, your girl Brianamccalip. I'm back with another video, y'all. So today, y'all, I shaved my face. Does it look good? This side is low key clear almost. But yeah, my skin is feeling real good. I shaved my face, my mustache gone, got my nails done, got my eyebrows done, got a sew in, got my feet done. Anyways, now what I'm about to do is I'm about to go live because I missed 5. Well, today will be 6 if I miss today, but I'm not gonna miss today. I want to put my makeup on, but my cousin's out here, so Layla is playing. I was gonna take her outside today to the kids play zone. Me and my cousin Corey. Y'all know who Corey is. Y'all need to know. Most people know who he is. Anyways, we supposed to go to kids play zone. I gotta move this thing right here. This coat. Right now it's all in the way. Not even supposed to be right there. But I'm finna do my makeup first, but I missed 6 days of, well, today if I do it would be 6 days, but I'm not, because I'm finna do my makeup right now, and then I'm finna get the rest of my hair done, y'all. Well, matter of fact, I'm finna get it curled. I was thinking I was gonna get it curled and then go do my makeup. Tune in with y'all once it's time to pick up my outfit. I don't know what outfit I'm in, so I'm gonna let y'all see it. All right, y'all. So I'm about to start my live. Y'all already know I do the 25 days of slave, but I missed 6, I think. Yeah. Oh, it's coming. So I'm finna press it, y'all. I ain't turned it on yet. No, it don't. Oh, it's okay. Shut up. Y'all, so I started on Instagram. Now I'm finna start on YouTube. I gotta put my code in. I'm live on both, y'all. So I'm gonna see y'all as soon as I get done. Why you not upstairs?
Is the last name supposed to be Mears or May?
Who? Hey, y'all. Hey, Trinidad. You wanna go out there? Well, I'm finna play your ass right out there. No, I'm just playing. Alright, y'all. So y'all might have seen me in the morning, but I'm almost done with my makeup. This is how it looks. I told y'all I was gonna come back for the clothes, but I'm almost done. I am on live, so if y'all came on my live video, y'all know what it is. Hey, y'all. So I gotta do my under eye, and then I gotta do the rest of my face, and then I'm gonna come back when it's time to put my outfit on. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. But and then I gotta get my hair curled. So yeah, it is. What time is it? Oh, okay, yeah, it's 4. So I think I talked to y'all around like 1. So yeah, y'all say hey, live say hey to my blog. This okay, so this is Instagram, and then this is YouTube. I still gotta get my screen fixed, y'all. It's ridiculous. All right, y'all. So I just got done with my makeup. It's so pretty. You should see it. Period. I ain't look like this morning when I was talking to y'all. But I do today. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. That I'm finna wear. I don't know if I should put it on or not because I want to wash my daughter up. I don't know if I should put it on. So I may wash her up first. I'm so confused. I need to get out of here. Okay. But I look. Maybe let me zoom out for y'all. Y'all can see me. Y'all see me. I look good. See me. I ain't got my outfit on though yet. Let me clean my camera, matter of fact, because it's streaky. Best glass cleaning, y'all. Get y'all some. Rub it off. It's clear now. Okay. Y'all see the beat. Y'all see the beat. Get into it. Get into the beat. Okay, y'all. Like, I don't have nothing to say. Like, when I be vlogging, I swear I don't have nothing to say. Okay, I'm gonna go wash her up, and then we just gonna be out of here. Y'all, look at this. I think this is cute. Now I'm just gonna find something to wear with it. Oh, not this tag though. Not this fucking tag. Gotta find me some earrings. Earrings and maybe a watch. I always wear a watch or something like that. So I got my hair curled. Well, it's probably been like an hour after since I got my hair curled. We finna go by the Christmas tree and we finna take some pictures. This is what I decided to wear. I got my comment right here. But this is what I decided to wear. Got babe with me.
That's the word.
And then after that, he said hookah lounge, so I don't know. The plans is totally messed up because I was supposed to go send that package off. Then we supposed to go to the kid place, and then I thought she was gonna get tired and go to sleep. Well, she sleep now, but I thought she was gonna get tired, go to sleep, and we was gonna go see the lights or something. But we didn't. It's okay though. Babe already got tipsy. Now his ass sleep.
Nah.
Well, he was asleep. He was asleep.
It was that boring ass basketball game I was watching.
He can't handle his liquor, y'all. That's what it is. So cold outside, y'all. I can't do it. I got some lip gloss. We finna go to a bar. It's gonna be a quick picture. I swear it is. I feel like it's gonna be. I'm gonna make sure I'm in focus and everything. Because outside, it's cold as hell.
Man, what the fuck am I doing tomorrow?
Ooh, gold.
Got like 2 appointments.
Oh, I like that. You like that, babe?
What? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I like that.
You like to go?
Yeah.
Why you wanna lick it off? I mean, just kiss off me.
I don't want it, you know what I'm saying? Cause you don't wash it. I'll be wiping it on my pants and shit. Alright, where I'm going?
I'm obsessed with the juicy lip. To the bar, right?
Yeah. I was thinking out loud if I had to make a right or a left.
This lipstick, y'all, is. Let's see. Let me put this in. Luna. Anastasia. Luna lipstick. I'm gonna turn this light off because I don't think we can drive with this light on. They really gonna pull us over. Them over there. It's called SB, the apartment.
You trying to check them out?
Yeah, I'm gonna check a lot of them to see which ones is the best
That
ones.
shit burning my face off. I ain't see what they look like. I don't know, man. I don't really like the apartments on this strip right here. But I do like the apartments in this area. But this strip right here is pretty old. Them motherfuckers.
Yeah,
like
they probably.
New Jack City type shit.
My puffy jacket. So I don't think I could do that one.
No, we don't do that another
We gonna
time.
do that one when I got my weekend.
Man. I'm trying to go to the Eurostar too though.
What's that?
That hotel.
Oh yeah. Me too. Me too. With the tub.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's lit. You wanna do it, babe? You wanna put this? Why you
Yeah, what happened? Why you stop?
in the beginning? It used to be so lit. Cause it was summertime. Summertime lit.
Oh shit.
When it
it's
be
winter.
cold. When it be cold, it
Would
be.
your bones be stiff or something?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Man, you need to loosen that shit up. Get in the Christmas spirit. You know what I'm saying? Get in the spirit of giving.
Oh, I think I took a photo.
You just took one right
Give
there.
her in the spirit of giving. So, baby, this beat is beat. I swear the first 2 days when you on your menstrual, you bleed so much. It's ridiculous. And then it's like nasty. Like when you can't even laugh, you can't even smile wrong. It just gonna come out. Everything just gonna come out.
A little gusher.
Is this the one? I tried so many settings, y'all. So I don't know which setting is which. But I'm loving this this camera because I can hold it. I can do whatever I want with it. Ooh, I'm looking good. With this what we used to do. We used to when I used to take my pictures, I used to at first I used to like search the place where I want to go take the picture, and I just be like, babe, this the address, let's go. But now they got the Christmas lights downtown, so we just searching to take the pictures. Yeah, my life is boring.
You
I don't
just be
really
busy all day.
I don't really do nothing, especially now since the pandemic is here, y'all. It's not really much to do, cause if it was something to do, it's 8 o'clock, man. People will be just not getting dressed to go outside. It's 8:54. Why it seem like it's 10 o'clock, 10, 11 o'clock?
Midnight type shit.
Right.
Motherfuckers sleep. It's Sunday. It's the Lord's Day.
Right. It is Sunday. Sundays always go slow to me, though.
I thought today was like Wednesday or Tuesday.
That's how I want to be downtown.
Right there.
Walking
In
through
your
my
pajamas.
yeah, coming down from the from my apartment. Y'all, it's lit. Cold. It's so cold out here. It is cold, ain't it? Come back in here, babe.
Huh?
Come back in here real quick.
You ain't ready?
No. Let's take a picture over there. Y'all with me? Okay, y'all. I'm like really shivering. It's fucking cold. I'm trying to find somewhere to sit, y'all. I want y'all to see, but I can't afford for my camera to get. I'm gonna see y'all once I'm done taking these pictures.
Rolling up front, she can smell my aroma. Yeah, they can't see me. Shawty won't finish, yeah, she won't see. All the way down, I'm dripping double digit. Shawty gon' box, she seen me on the TV.
Yeah, for Telos. I took a couple pictures. They came out okay. My nipples was just out. So we finna get something to eat, and I'm finna get some snacks. Oh shit.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi.
What you doing?
Can I get a cheeseburger? Extra. I mean, I want grilled onions instead of plain onions.
Okay.
No pickles.
Okay.
Can they cut the burger in half?
Okay.
Can they cut the burger in half? Okay. It's a cheeseburger. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I have a cheeseburger.
Okay. Can I get a large cheese fry?
Okay.
And a strawberry milkshake.
Can I have you pull up?
Yeah. like that.
Oh, what's the?
Anything else?
Is that new?
What's
Is
that?
that new?
Shakes? That's
Yeah, those are. It's the regular shake, just crushed candy cane inside.
Oh, yeah.
I might try one of them.
Okay, try it then.
Which one?
I don't know. Which one is it?
Vanilla or chocolate? Which?
We have the vanilla, we have the chocolate, and then we have a cake shake one.
Oh no. Oh,
She gonna do that.
can I
She want
get the cake shake instead of the strawberry? Oh, I just turned
regular
too
cake
sorry. Huh?
The regular cake shake, or you want the peppermint cake shake?
The regular.
Okay, anything else?
Let me try. Let me do a vanilla with the peppermint.
Shake.
Actually, I'm gonna do a large lemonade, 2 large lemonades.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
all.
Okay, so it's gonna be 41.56.
I didn't feel like looking through all that. Appreciate it.
Thank you, babe. She was looking at me like cause I was recording.
Yeah.
That's why I'm recording like that, cause motherfuckers be looking weird, like they don't want you to record or something. I'm recording.
She ain't have her lashes.
When they said birthday cake, bitch, I got excited as hell. I said, ooh.
She ain't have her
I
lashes
love
on.
birthday
She wanna be on
cake.
camera.
Who?
Over here.
She ain't had her lashes on.
Yeah, you
You
know
funny
how
as
y'all
hell.
Notice we don't say Italian beef. It's Italian beef.
Italian, right?
Italian beef. You know what I'm saying?
It is. We don't say it like
I
that.
want Italian beef.
Then he got a lot of candy in there.
Yeah.
Right.
For
Candy.
the suckers. I don't know though.
I was just gonna talk.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, babe. I was just gonna talk. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna end this vlog, but he's still talking, so I don't want to interrupt him.
No,
But y'all, I'm finna end this vlog. We finna find a movie, lay over there eating the rest of my burger. I said I was gonna come in and eat. I ate half of it. I ain't recording me eating it, so it was too much in the car. I had to put the cheese cup on the side of the where the burger was not, and then I had to eat the burger. So yeah, I told them to cut my burger in half because I couldn't eat that big burger like that with this makeup on. So it was gonna be everywhere. But we in the house. Y'all know I love scary movies. Well, if y'all don't know, y'all know. I love scary movies, so I'm gonna end this vlog and I'm gonna edit it. So I hope y'all enjoy it. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Y'all got something to say? You got something to say? You got something to say, Lay? Say bye-bye.